Electrical Research and Development Association, ERDA, is a premier laboratory in India for testing, calibration, certification, consultancy, as well as research and development of electrical products. ERDA was established in 1974 at Vadodara, Gujarat, with the support from the Government of Gujarat, Government of India, electrical industries and utilities. ERDA is a not-for-profit organization registered under the Societies Act and as a charitable trust, Mumbai Act. We are also exempted from income tax. ERDA's registered office is in Mumbai. In our endeavor to serve the growing list of customers in India and abroad, a new regional laboratory known as ERDA West has been established in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. ERDA West has test facilities for 33 kV class products like distribution transformers, instrument transformers, high voltage test, impulse test, energy meters, transformer oil, DGA, Furan analysis and electrotechnical calibration. Some of the testing and calibration services are also extended to the customer's premises. We cater to over 5,000 domestic and international clients. ERDA West is accredited by NABL Government of India for testing and calibration at laboratory as well as on-site. It is also recognized by utilities, PSUs and several other agencies. The quality of 33 kV class distribution transformers, 200 kVA, can be ascertained through type tests. We arrange for short circuit test at our main laboratory complex at Vadodara and issue complete type test report according to IS 2026, IS 1180 and IEC 60076. ERDA West has set up a high voltage impulse laboratory with a capacity of 300 kV peak, 15 kilojoules. This state-of-the-art impulse test laboratory conducts lightning impulse test on a large variety of 33 kV electrical products, including distribution transformers, instrument transformers, reactors, insulators, bushings, panels, and so on. The temperature rise test is conducted to evaluate the rated capacity of transformers. Test capabilities are available for conducting this test on distribution transformers up to 33 kV, 200 kVA. ERDA West conducts type tests on 33 kV class CTs, PTs and CT-PT combined units. We arrange for partial discharge and short circuit test at the main laboratory complex at Vadodara and issue complete type test report according to IS 2705, IS 3156 and IEC 61869. We have a modern laboratory for testing of transformer oil as per IS 1866 and have expertise in the interpretation of dissolved gas analysis results as per IS 10593 and Furan analysis results as per IEC 61198. ERDA West is geared up to take up oil testing assignments on annual rate contract basis. Our laboratory in Mumbai tests single-phase and three-phase energy meters. This facility has a 6-position automatic meter test bench of accuracy class 0.02 and current rating of up to 200 amperes according to IS 13779, IS 14697, CBIP 304 and IEC standards. Facilities are also available for tamper test according to requirements of utilities. The test facility is suitable for tender samples from utilities and also for acceptance of the lot. All other tests can be arranged at the main laboratory complex at Vadodara. ERDA West has NABL accredited facilities for carrying out calibration of electrotechnical parameters at laboratory as well as on-site. The major calibration services offered include high voltage calibration, CTPTs, energy meters, power meters, multimeters, micro-ohm meters, and temperature indicators. In its continuing endeavor to serve its customers at their doorsteps, ERDA has set up this state-of-the-art laboratory in the commercial capital of India. ERDA solicits your continued support.